Okay. Thank you guys for the giveaway win. I really appreciate that. Unbox it. Okay. Discreet packaging. I like that. I like that. Okay. What does this say? Ooh, swirl purple. Ooh. I want to put full silicone wearable vibrator. That. Oh, it comes with a. Oh my goodness. Okay, it comes with a little bag. Some lubricants. If you want a warranty on it, instruction manual. Stickers. And this is the product. Wow. I am excited to use this. Thank you.